Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be transplanting these bad boys right here, the Trinidad scorpion peppers. These are extremely hot peppers. As you can see, their ratings, they're 800,000 to 1 million KSHU. That means these bad boys will make you crave some milk. All right, so when you get them from these pots, you can buy it from the store, or you can start it from seeds at your own house. But when you get them, they're going to look like this in a small pot. And now we're going to transplant them into our garden. As you can see, we have a raised garden, and on one side I'm planting peppers in these little slots, which are absolutely amazing to plant peppers in. As you can see, I planted the Carolina Reapers, and now we're going to plant the Trinidad Scorpions into these little pots. So first thing that you have to do is dig out a little hole halfway through, and then you're going to take the pepper. Most of the time the mix is very soft, so the pepper itself just comes out super easy. And then you add half of the container back, and you top it off with your regular gardening mix. And once it's topped off, you're going to compress it down a little bit, and then you're going to add your sticker. That way you know not to mess with these. All right everybody, that is how you do it. Simple and easy way to transplant your peppers. Here we go again. Make another hole, put some mix on the bottom, and then lift them up, put them back in the ground. There you go. And then you're going to add the rest of your mix that came in the little pot. Add some more of it. Level everything out, make sure it's surrounded, make sure there's no air pockets, and then add some of your regular gardening mix. As you can see, ours is very clay nutrient, and that is it. That is how you plant. Don't forget the sticker. All right, that is how you transplant Trinidad scorpion peppers. All right everybody, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.